Welcome back. Today there will be a big update to our can smasher. Uh, Before I had this 40 diameter bore cylinder that can produce only around 70 kilos, but it was not enough. It wasn't interesting to smashing things with only 70 kilos. And now I have this big cylinder. It is diameter 80 with stroke 200. Whoa. And its power on 6 bars is something around 300 kilos, and on 10 bars it will be like half a ton, like 500 kilos. So I think it should be more interesting to break stuff with something like that. So today I want to uh, change this small cylinder with this big one, and also I got a new sensor from AliExpress, photo sensor with a reflector. I hope it will be more sensitive than our previous one, inductive. So yeah, and if I will have time, then I will try to make some fun with automatization. But let's see. So let's start. Okay, it seems everything is set up, and only what we need to do is trigger our sensor, which is connected to our lamp. 1 second. Okay, and second try now. Everything is working pretty well, only slow. And what I didn't like is that this one hit. I think I need some couple extra screws here, and maybe in a short future I will change those bolts to something bigger because yeah, those the moment's not good. But okay, let's change the view and then test it with the can. We have our can. Let's watch one time how it was with smaller cylinder. It was like that. And now let's try our 80mm cylinder. I think everything is ready, and let's go. I think we can make some tests also with this Spidey. Yeah, it's start to deform a little bit. So thank you for watching. In next video I will connect this photo sensor, maybe add some additional automation just to make this process a little bit fun. And yeah, thank you for watching. If you have some questions or comments, please leave them below, and see you in next one.